How to connect Sennheiser CX to wireless earbuds. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you're going to learn how to connect your Sennheiser CX to wireless earbuds step by step. Whether you're paying for the first time or reconnecting, this guide will help you get started in just a couple of minutes. Step 1. Charge your earbuds. First, make sure your earbuds are charged. Place both earbuds into the charging case and connect to a power source using the USB-C cable that comes in the box. You will see the LED lights turning on. That means they're charging. Step 2. Turn them on and enter the pairing mode. Now take both earbuds out of the charging case. They should automatically power on. If it's your first time using them, they will enter the pairing mode automatically. If not, touch and hold both earbuds for about 3 seconds until you hear pairing or see the LEDs flashing blue and red. Step 3. Connect to your device. Go to the Bluetooth settings on your phone, tablet or computer. Look for CX True Wireless in the list of available devices. Tap to connect. Once you're here connected or see the stats change, you're all set. You can now start using your earbuds. Step 4. Auto reconnecting tapes. Every time you take the earbuds out of the case, they will try to reconnect to the last paired device. If you want to pair with a new device, just repeat the pairing process by holding both earbuds for a few seconds. You can also download the Sennheiser Smart Control app to customize your sound and update the firmware. Troubleshooting tips. If something not working, try a factory reset. Hold both touchpads for about 10 seconds until the LEDs flash red and blue alternately. Then repair as we showed earlier. And that's it. That was the full tutorial on how to connect your Sennheiser CX to wireless earbuds. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.